have your attention, we would like to brief you on the safety features of this Boeing 737-800 series aircraft. Your safety information card's located in the seat pocket in front of you. Follow it, look at it. Make sure you put it right back where you found it for our next set of passengers. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the slot into the buckle. To relieve, lift on the buckle. Position your seatbelt low and tight across your hips and wear it anytime you are seated. You don't like your neighbor or your crew, there are 8 ways out. 2 forward, 2 over wing, 2 in the back. Signs are ahead and lights on the floor will guide you to those exits. Love job becomes a love boat. There is a life vest under your seat. Only remove it if told to do so. Tear the pouch across the top. Remove the vest. Place the vest over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist. Buckle it in the front. Pull to tight. And once untie the aircraft, pull down on the red tab to inflate. To manually blow into the tube at your shoulder. It is equipped with a water-activated rescue light. We love you, but we don't trust you, so we are coming through to make sure that that seatbelt is securely fastened. Seat backs and tray tables are in the upright and locked position. All carry-on items have been securely stowed, so nothing is blocking access to your main aisle. Smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes, is prohibited on board at all times. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying smoke detectors in aircraft lavatories is prohibited by law. Federal aviation regulation require passenger compliance. The line and passenger information sign, place of postcards, and crew members' instructions regarding seatbelts, the no smoking signs. Also, if you bring your own alcohol on board, I am aware they sell the minis. I am aware they're allowed to through the TSA. I am also aware it's a federal offense for you to serve them to yourself. So make sure they stay stowed, nice, closed, tucked in, till you get to point B. There's 3 lavatories on board this aircraft, 2 in the back, 1 in the front. Can't count today. There'll be no standing or congregating in the forward part of this aircraft at no time. The yoga section class for stretching was canceled today. If needed, 4 oxygen masks will fall from the compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down on the mask until that plastic tubing is fully extended. Place that mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Although oxygen is flowing, the plastic bag may not fully inflate. Always place your own mask first and then assist those traveling with you. If you have more than 1 person needing your assistance, choose your favorite and take it from there. Flying time en route to New York-LaGuardia today is an excellent 2 hours and 48 minutes from wheels up to wheels down. Just a few moments, I'll be adjusting the cabin light to find an additional reading light located right above your seat. If you press that blue button by mistake, go ahead and reset it. If it is an emergency, by all means, leave it on. Any unwelcome behavior to yourself or others, please notify your flight crew. I look like a walking Coke up and down that aisle, but ultimately I'm here for your safety, and most important, again, for your safety. You're welcome to let Southwest know what happened. That's all great and dandy, but I also have to answer when you write to them. So if you don't tell me, I personally failed the reading mind portion of training. I can't help you if you don't tell me what happened. And if I have to explain it in 3 weeks, trust me, I'm not even going to remember. So for your safety, that's what we're here for. Do notify a flight crew. Welcome aboard. Seatbelts, ladies and gentlemen, we've been clear for departure.